Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to log out of your Facebook account using the updated method. Whether you're securing your account or just switching devices, these steps will ensure a seamless logout process. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. This is where you'll find all the options needed to manage your account settings. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the top of your screen. On most devices, this is represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Once you tap it, a menu will appear with various options. Now, scroll down through the list of options until you see Log Out. It's usually located near the bottom of the menu. Tap on Log Out to initiate the process. At this point, Facebook will prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to log out. To finalize your action, simply tap Log Out again. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Facebook account. Remember, logging out is especially important if you're using a shared or public device to ensure your account stays secure. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance logging out of their Facebook accounts. Stay tuned for more tips and guides.